The next tip that I want to share with you is using the extreme command. Yes, so sometimes happens that we need a portion of a drawing. In this case, I need only these two restrooms and not the whole plan. So what I'm gonna do is select the these restrooms like so, right? I'm gonna select all of those, and then I'm gonna copy these objects to the side using the regular copy command, right? I'm gonna copy it to the side like so, and then at this point, I can simply draw a rectangle like so around the objects that I need. So I need this area, and then I'm gonna use the extreme command. So the extreme command, what it does is it trims the areas outside this boundary. So let me show you extreme. Once I select this rectangle once and then go out like this, of course, outside the rectangle like so, you can see that it will automatically trim the areas outside. Of course, this won't apply for blocks. So blocks, I can simply erase them like so, or also multi-leaders like so. All right, so that way you have a portion of your drawing, maybe for a detail or so on, but that is the extreme command, and it's very useful again for generating this um, blow up or of details of certain drawings, right, quickly.